Hey guys, this is Tarun Kashyap from tarunkashyap.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you what are the best settings for your WP Rocket plugin. Okay, so WP Rocket is a plugin that helps to speed up your WordPress website. So today I'm going to show you the same how to speed up your WordPress website using WP Rocket plugin. Okay, so hover over plugins and you will see a plugins area, and you have to activate the WP Rocket plugin that we installed in the previous video. I also forgot to tell you that WP Rocket is a paid plugin, and if you want to use this plugin, then you have to buy this plugin. Okay, so click on activate and go to settings, and from here you will enter the WP Rocket dashboard. So this is the WP Rocket dashboard. We don't need to do anything from here, so let's go to cache. So this is saying enable caching for mobile devices. Yes, checkbox on this thing. Separate cache for mobile devices, also check this thing. No, we don't want to check this because we don't want to cache in the logged in users in WordPress. Okay, and set this to 10 hours and click on save changes. Come to file optimization tab and you have to select everything from here. Okay, you have to select minify HTML, remove query strings from static resources. You also have to check this thing, and you have to check this minify CSS files. Okay, I understand. Click on activate minify CSS, click on combine CSS files, checkbox on this thing, and also optimize CSS delivery, and also checkbox on this thing minify JavaScript files, combine JavaScript files, also checkbox on this thing, and also check this feature and click on save changes. And in case if your website breaks, then you always have to check on these features. Okay, always try and playing out with these features if your website breaks. Okay, and come to media, and here it's saying lazy load. So we are not going to be checking in this enable for images because we're going to be using lazy load of the Jetpack plugin, so we are not going to be enabling this feature. So click on enable for iframes and videos, and also checkbox on this thing, and also checkbox on this thing disable WordPress embeds, and also enable, no, we don't want to enable this. I don't know what is this, so we are going to leave this. Okay, so come to preload. So on the preloads tab you have to paste in these URLs. I will give a link to these URLs in the description below, so you can find these URLs and you can download and paste it. Okay, so click on save changes. So after preload you have to come to advanced rules, so we don't need to do anything from here. Okay, and come to database. So this is a section where you can optimize your database, your trash posts, your auto posts, and your revisions of your post. Okay, so nothing to do here right now, but in case in future if these numbers increases, then you can always check these boxes and you can click on optimize, and this will optimize your database. Okay, and click on Syrian. Currently we don't have any Syrian in our website, so we're not going to be doing anything here, but in case if you have a Syrian, then you can always set up your Syrian from here. Okay, and come to heartbeat. So click on control heartbeat and click on save changes. After that you have to come to add-ons, and if you have any add-on that you want to add, then you can always add that add-on from here. Okay, from the add-ons tab you can enable Google Analytics, also you can enable the Cloudflare from here. Okay, click on image optimization and nothing to do here. Okay, and you can go to tools, and from here you can import and export the settings of the WP Rocket settings. Okay, if you have any other website, then you can import the settings from that website. Okay, and click on tutorials, and from here you can find the tutorials of setting up the WP Rocket plugin. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.